In our last video, we talked about the gut-brain axis and how communication between the gut and the brain happens. In this video, we're going to talk about how the gut-brain axis starts to explain some of those wide-reaching effects of the gut, and we're going to highlight two major pathways. Understanding the gut's wide-reaching effects and impacts on behavior allows us to understand the importance and appreciate why gut health is so important. So in this video, let's talk about those wide-reaching effects of the gut and how the gut-brain axis lets that happen. Quickly, let me define the gut-brain axis. It allows for two-way communication between the brain and the gut microbiome, and is assumed to involve many different pathways within our body, including immune, neural, endocrine or hormonal, and metabolic pathways. As we learn more about the gut-brain axis from research, the more it seems to explain the widespread effects of the gut microbiome and the importance of gut health. We cover the importance of the gut microbiome and its functions in another video, so we'll just highlight a few of these far-reaching and vital impacts of the gut microbiome here, which include production of essential vitamins, protection against pathogens, and modification of both the nervous system and the immune system. So, how does the communication between the gut and the brain explain these widespread effects of our gut microbiome? First, the gut-brain axis is a complex pathway, and it is not yet fully defined. But we do know there are multiple connection points between our gut and our brain, and I feel that there are two worth highlighting: the immune system and neurotransmitters. I think that both of these really give insight into the widespread effects this connection can have on our overall body. First, let's talk about the immune system. Our gut microbiome is vital for the development of our immune system, and in adulthood, it influences the immune system by microbiota byproducts such as neurotransmitters, essential vitamins, amino acids, and short-chain fatty acids. This in turn can modulate immune system pathways and impact things like behavior, memory, learning, and even play a role in neurodegenerative diseases. Next, let's talk about neurotransmitters, which are special chemicals your neurons use to talk to each other, which are not only produced in the brain, but also in the gut microbiome, which was a groundbreaking finding in gut-brain communication and helps explain the gut's influence on the brain. This production of neurotransmitters means that the gut microbiome can both indirectly and directly alter communication within the brain. The gut microbiome has been shown to play a role in regulating a number of key neurotransmitters like GABA, dopamine, neuroadrenaline, serotonin, glutamate, and even neurotrophic factors. Surprisingly, 90% of our body's serotonin, which is required for things like mood, sleep, behavior, and many other functions, is produced in our gut. This production of neurotransmitters, like serotonin, allows for this indirect and direct communication between the gut and the brain. As research helps us learn more about the gut microbiome, it seems the list of ways the gut microbiome can affect the body continues to grow. And it seems like the gut can kind of affect, well, everywhere in our body. The gut-brain axis lets us see the strong connection between the gut and the brain and allows us to better understand the widespread effects of the gut microbiome, such as the immune system and the creation of neurotransmitters, which we highlighted here. We know that the gut-brain axis can contribute to normal brain function and is a possible risk factor for neuropathological conditions, as dysfunction has been tied to increased risk. But we don't fully understand the connection between the gut and the brain, and really we're still learning about the gut microbiome and how interconnected within our body it is, and what other systems it's as intertwined with as it is with the brain. If you liked this video, check out our next video where we'll look to answer the question, what role does gut microbiome development play in brain health and brain development? Also, if you want to learn more about what I talked about here today or know where I got this information, you can check out our blog. The link is in the description.